Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I thought I would kind of do like a celebration type video. The next day, Wednesday, is National Lipstick Day, and I kind of wanted to do something to commemorate the day and just have some fun with lipstick or lip items for that matter. So I have pretty much all my lips items, lip glosses, lip eye cheek combinations, lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, all that stuff in here in this bag. And I'm kind of do a randomized full face lipstick kind of deal just for fun and kind of just, like I said, commemorate the day. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. So for what I had in mind is kind of just doing my normal routine of what I would normally do when I put on my makeup. I actually have my foundation and concealer, and I actually did my brows just because I can't really do lipstick with brows. And I kind of have that just all over on my face right now. And I thought I'm just gonna do what I normally do, which is just, blush, bronzer, eyeshadow, highlighter, and kind of just go with my normal look. And I actually have some some lip liners I thought maybe I could use as kind of eyeliners in a sense. So we're just gonna go with it and just have some fun and just see how it goes. So the first thing I would normally do is I would actually bronze. So like I said, I'm kind of just randomizing and just picking out what I usually do. I have some eyeshadow brushes and some face brushes if I need to use them, but more than likely I'm just going to use my hands and just go with it and just see if I can, recreate something kind of unique and fun. So, all right, so the first thing I normally do is my bronzer. So we're just going to dig in here. I have no idea what I'm getting. I'm trying not to pay attention to what they feel like and just grab something, Okay, so let's see here. This big one. Oh, okay. So it's my Physicians Formula Take Pink Tinted Lip Treatment. All right, so this is going to be my bronzer. So this will be interesting. So I don't want to just smear it on my face. I could just wipe the lipstick after. All right, well, we're just gonna do that then. All right, here we go. Oh boy. So that's even, and I actually do bronze my nose a little bit. So like I said, I'm gonna put it in place of where the bronzer would be. Okay, here we go. A little bit more. Okay. All right, so that's my bronzer. Physicians Formula Take Pink. So the next thing is now to do my blush. So obviously we have a variety of colors here, but this one actually will go in place of where the blush would be. So most of these colors will work there. So let's see here. Again, try not to. All right, this one. Oh. Okay, this is a This is a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Beso. It's a bright red color, so my cheeks are really going to stand out. Okay. I'm actually just wiping that on the towel here so that we don't contaminate the rest of it. Okay. Go. Oh boy. Hold on one sec. Okay. I have a brush here. Let's see if I can just kind of I know what the problem is, I put too much. Oh boy. It's my fault for putting so much, but I hope you're enjoying this. I have another idea. I grabbed a sponge. It's damp. Hopefully. Learn my mistake. Never put too much liquid lipstick on my cheeks. Okay, seems to be working. Just doing a little bit of time. Oh, it's going into my pores. It's not good. Oh boy. Okay, we're all for this. Okay, now we're going to do highlighter. We're gonna see how this goes. Let me see something nice. Yes! I promise I didn't cheat or try to feel what I felt. Okay, this is the Essence Shine, Shine, Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. These are actually really, really good. I enjoy these. And this one is just basically clear and it's not like glittery or anything. It's just a shine. And it's great to just put over like something else. All right, so highlighter. So I just got it. Hold it here. Okay, and then I'm wiping it off that spot there so I don't stain it. Okay. How did this happen? Definitely giving me kind of a wet look. Okay, well, it's not too bad actually. I got lucky there. Again, I wasn't cheating, I promise. I have no idea what I was getting, but that kind of works. It's like a nice shimmery kind of shine. Hence the shine. But yeah, it's not too bad. Wow, my cheeks are red. So is my nose still red. Looks like I got sunburned, but I promise you it's just lipstick that's making it look really. At this point now, I would have normally done, you know, my brows and then I would start my eyeshadow. So for this case, I think I'm going to do 3, which would be like the crease, it'd be the outer corner and then the inner corner. And I can also definitely, like I said, use a liner to kind of make an eyeliner effect look to it. So let's try that out. So like I said, we're gonna do 3 colors on my eyelids. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, look number 1, we're gonna do the crease like I normally would do an eyeshadow. Let's do the crease. You are. Oh, okay. This is a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Canes. It's actually a really nice color on my lips. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to just put it on dab it on, and then I wipe it off with the towel that I have here. Okay, here's my crease color. Okay, the next color now would be, I would do like the outer corner or outer part of my eye here. Oh, okay. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Last Matte in the shade Stoplight Red. This is going to be interesting. Oh boy. It is kind of new. I haven't had a chance to try it out because I haven't really had a reason to use it because we're all in quarantine still. My powder part. Oh, I love how the lipstick is going in my face. Okay, now we're going to do the inner corner of my eye. Like I said, this is the last color. Let's see how this goes. Oh, okay. This is a lip gloss, another Wet n Wild Mega Slick Lip Gloss in the shade Cherish. Again, I didn't know what I was picking, just happened to be that way. Okay, corner. Jeez, I really got lucky here. Looks good, surprisingly. I was not expecting that. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using a L'Oreal Color Rich. Let's see, anti-feather lip liner in the shade Forever Rose. This is the color. It's a cap. Kind of like that. That's the color it would look like on my lashes. A liner would go. So let's see if I can actually do this. Surprisingly good. Just gonna wipe off the little area there. Okay. And of course, I'm going to put on some mascara and set just to complete the look. But before I do that, of course, where lipstick should go on my lips. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips and then put on lipstick, and I'm just going to randomly also pick a color. So I kind of lined my lips and I kind of drew them in a little bit. So like I said, we're going to just pick a lipstick and we'll see what we're going to use. Again, I have no idea what any of these are. Well, I do, but I'm trying not to focus again, like I said, on the packaging and just pick a random one. Okay, so I got Marc Jacobs in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang lip cream. It's a little small one I got as a little kind of like a gift set kind of thing. So I know all these colors seem to be a little similar. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. I have all kinds of pink and red. So now I'm going to curl and put on mascara and we'll see. Okay, so I curled my lashes and I put on mascara and this is the final look. And I look crazy. That's okay. I'm just here to celebrate lipstick and to just have a little fun with it. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.